RoboFest 2025.
To mark the auspicious beginning of RoboFest 2025, let us kindle the light of enlightenment, the Param Jyoti.
Our Honorable Archbishop, Most Reverend Dr. Sebastian Voidekil, the Archbishop of Ujjain. As you all know, our Archbishop is a paternal figure in this institution with his paternal concern, care, timely advice, and above all, his paternal blessing and prayers. Today, His grace is with us to inaugurate and to bless us with His presidential address. On behalf of the entire Carmel family, Your Grace, we are very happy to welcome you to this RoboFest 2025. Hearty welcome. A day specially dedicated to honor our Prime Minister, Chacha Ji. He especially loved children. And on his request, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. I wish you a very happy Children's Day and wish you all the best for this RoboFest 2025. God bless you all. Thank you.
Music! Through the town, the wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.
At the school level, when we bring this into the curriculum and the extracurricular, this is not just a symbol of having a vision towards such a technological future, but also an effort towards making a step ahead of time, of making the country leap forward in the direction of such technological advancements. So to have this kind of an event at the school level, and as it was said before, since the last year such beautiful events are taking place and inspirational journeys from past students are also taking place.
Congratulations once again, and may God bless you abundantly in your episcopal ministry.
Chief guest of today, Sri Sresh Gokhaleji, respected Sister Rostom, Reverend Sister Dr. Kripa, the principal of the institute, Sister Lizzie, the manager, all our dear respected sisters, dear teachers, Reverend fathers, Reverend sisters, dear parents of the students, and my dear students. Hearty congratulations to every one of you, especially to the staff and students of Carmel for this innovative exhibition first that you have organized. Wonderful, great, and I wish you all the best. Yeah, to visit and see what is going to happen. I wish to thank you also for the
You don't even deserve to stand here for a moment. Get away from this place. You are clever and you hide your faults. In time, people will see the truth.
For you two, I will stay with each of you for a month.
Sir, I suppose you will stay with me first, right?
Sure. How can I see them die? I forgive and let them go.
We truly regret for what we have done. Pardon us, my lord. If everything done by the parents' request, just a 4-letter word, love for them, then it is the utmost miracle on this earth. Dear kids, all your parents' expectations is to lift high and live your life and live the rest.
बॉलीवुड की दुनिया जहाँ हर धुन में जादू है, हर कदम में जोश है और हर गाने में एक दिल से निकलती हुई मुस्कान। तो तैयार हो जाइए क्योंकि अब आने वाले हैं हमारे कलाकार जो आपके सामने पेश करेंगे एक शानदार बॉलीवुड मैशअप डांस।
Dr. Sister Kripa, the principal, Sister Lissy, the school manager, Reverend sisters, fathers, my dear parents, and dear loving students, let me wish the Importance Day of Children's Day for all of them. It is a matter of great delight and privilege to be with you on this beautiful morning, celebrating Children's Day, a day dedicated to the boundless energy, creativity, and robo-forced innocence of young minds. To witness this day be marked by robo-fest from cultural spectrum makes it even more meaningful. For here we see the perfect and blend of curiosity, innovation, talent, and intellect that defines the day, the generation of learners. I am surely delighted to see the remarkable progress of our Carmel Convent Senior Secondary School Uchay.
सब हंस रहे हैं, चलो लेट्स गो।
नहीं होएगा, एक और टाइम, म्यूजिक।
राजमहल से मोबाइल भी चोरी हो गया।
महाराज, यह तो बहुत गंभीर विषय है। इस चोर की हिम्मत तो बढ़ती ही जा रही है। महारानी जी, शायद भगवान की इच्छा है कि अब आप मोबाइल छोड़कर ध्यान और योग करें।
ध्यान और योग तो आप करो पुरोहित जी। महाराज, जल्दी से मेरा मोबाइल ढूंढ कर दे दीजिए, उसमें मेरी रील्स थी, फोटोज हैं, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कार्ड भी है।
शांत हो जाइए महारानी, हम चोर को जल्द ही पकड़ लेंगे।
जंगल के रंगैया मौहा के बिनैया तेंदुआ गला सपोट फुटू के करैया जंगल के रंगैया मौहा के बिनैया तेंदुआ गला सपोट
Celebrate this unity in diversity. Presenting before you Rangmanch A Bharat, Ek Bharat, Shresht Bharat.
मेरा मध्य प्रदेश है, सुख का दाता सबका साथी, शुभ का ये संदेश है, माँ की गोद पिता का आश्रय मेरा मध्य प्रदेश है।
Thank you everyone for being a part of this unforgettable moment. Until we meet again, stay inspired, stay connected and keep shining.
RoboFest 2025.